Prep My Pantry series. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. This is another in our episode of Mixes in a Jar. I've got my jar ready. This is quick and easy, throws together. I love this pizza dough in a jar. I got the idea from Homestead Tessie of pizza mix in a jar. It's quick, it's easy. Each pizza mix in a jar makes one 14-inch pizza crust. So I'm going to go ahead and outline the things for you. The only thing I do differently is I put my sugar and yeast in a bag so I can proof it. I don't want it put in with the flour and ready to go. And then at the end I give the instructions on how to go ahead and mix up the dough, and then you can make it with things you have right in your pantry. Things I have canned in my pantry: ham, sausage, cream cheese, marinara sauce, basil pesto. All of these things you can use to throw together a quick pizza from a meal in a jar. Thanks, Rebel Canners. Here we go. 3 cups flour, 2 teaspoons fast-acting yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Remember, the sugar and the yeast go in a separate bag. That's it for the jar. Now, when you're ready, you will mix your dough by hand, adding 1 1/4 cups warm water. Be sure that your water is not too hot to kill your yeast. This is where I proof my yeast with the water. Once your yeast has proofed, you can add all your other dry ingredients and then add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Knead very briefly by hand. Roll out your dough. Remember, there's enough to do a 14-inch pizza or 2 small pizzas. And then you just go ahead and add your ingredients and bake your pizza in your oven at 350 degrees until done. This recipe is perfect to take camping because it's all pre-measured and all your ingredients are shelf stable. Check out this other video about bread mix in a jar as well. It's not good enough to just like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Otherwise, YouTube won't show you my next video.